Hey guys, Maria Lavasimo here. So I made a video about the Facebook automation tool, the comment formula. So today I wanted to talk to you about the prospect formula, which is huge. It is an amazing asset to building your Facebook friends list and prospecting. So let's get started. So what you want to do first is you want to go into a group of your choice, and then you want to go to the members section, and then from there you're going to click on the prospect formula, which is this one up here in the corner. Now the lookup interval is set to 15 seconds. I would leave it that way because you don't want to end up in Facebook jail, because if it's going too fast, the system is going to pick up that it's possibly automation or something like that, and it's just going to possibly send you to Facebook jail. So we don't want that to happen, obviously. For number of requests, I would say to do at max 15 at a time. You can break it up into different intervals throughout the day, but I would say 15 at a time. But for the sake of time for this video, I'm just going to put 5 in there. And so you want to enter keywords that make sense for you. So some of the keywords I have in mind is entrepreneur, marketing, work from home, social media, etc., internet marketer, self-employed, network marketer, affiliate marketer, MLM. These are just keywords that you want to put in there that you want to pick up on the title of possible friends within the group of your choice. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to hit run, and now as you can see, it is picking up the titles I have in the keywords box. So you can see, well, some of them you can see have like affiliate marketer, and it's scrolling through. See how it's scrolling through? It's looking for the titles that I entered, and if it doesn't find it, it's just going to keep on going, and it's numbering them as it's going along. So let's just you can't. At the bottom of the page, I was just reading the task started and running, and you can see how it's running through. So really what you need to do with this, guys, is you need to set it and forget it. Literally, set it and forget it. Go do something else. That's the beauty of this tool. You can go do something else while it's working for you, and then come back, and what you want to do is, with the friends that you did make, you want to get in the inbox, introduce yourself, and just start becoming friends and building that relationship. So I just wanted to show you how really simple this is, and how with the click of a button, couple of clicks, you go into the group, and then a couple of clicks, you enter something, data, and you're gone. The keywords actually are ones that I had in there before. So as you can see now, see how this picked up affiliate marketer, and it said friend request sent, affiliate marketing, friend request sent. You see the blue arrow? So that's what you're going to see. So these are now your new friends. So go into Facebook Messenger and absolutely make friends with these guys and introduce yourself and get to know each other, and then just go from there. So that's the prospecting formula. If you haven't seen the commenting formula video yet, you need to take a look at that as well. That's huge. When your engagement is super high, like say over 100 at least, and you have that many comments, and it's consistent on maybe 1 or 2 posts a day that you're doing, you might start finding it a little bit difficult to keep up with that, and it's okay to use a tool to help you out with that. I love the comment formula tool. I still see who's commenting, and I appreciate them all very much, but automation is here to stay, guys. So you might as well use it to your advantage and let the automation tools, these Chrome extensions, there's 5 of them. This is the second video. Comment formula was the first, and I'll continue to upload the other 3 as well, so you can look for those, but I'm doing them separately for the sake of time. So if you want to get your hands on these amazing Chrome extensions, this Facebook tool, and you want to automate it and, you know, really start being super, super efficient, you can click the link below and get in touch with me. You can find me on Facebook, obviously, or you can just click the link and just go ahead and get the tool. So if you have any questions, you'll see my social links below. Just contact me, and we'll go from there. Peace out. See you at the top.